All right, it's Wednesday. Time to get jacked. I'm 347 pounds as of this morning. Got to get to 285. Came all the way down from 400. That puts me at a goal about 5% body fat at 285 pounds. And that's going to be the show stage weight, which I have about 29 weeks to get to. Today is a pull day. It's a lot of back stuff. And that's kind of it. I'm like, put on the straps, start pulling. Because I think my back is quite thick, but I need some width. So we got to be really making the wings jut out. And a lot of that will also show a lot better with a lower body fat percentage. But it's just hard. I'm failing. I hate failing. It's so shitty. It's just like you just keep getting punched in the face over and over. Need to get a job, which I got laid off in November, and plenty of interviews, no job. I'm lifting, I'm cardioing, weight loss so slow. It is, I mean, it's happening. It's just so slow. And I just hate it. And then just life sucks. Very, probably the only silver lining is I keep hitting the gym no matter what happens. No matter my mood, I'm still at the gym. But everything else, it's just hard, man. It's just hard. Even, I mean, yeah, because everything takes money. Like even the GLPs, the peptides, can't buy any of that without money. You can't go do anything fun. Well, you can't do certain things that are, cost money because that are fun because it costs money. So, what a predicament, and how shitty. I hate that it's all comes down to requiring money, not to be happy, because you can be happy without money, but it certainly is a prerequisite at a certain level to make it much more convenient to life. But that's what we're here for in the first place. Get lean, get jacked, get big, win some shows. There's no other 6'5" bodybuilders. So that's my unique edge, and it's quite unique, but you got to show it first before anyone gives a shit. And that's just life. So you got to make it happen. There's nothing really else to it. Otherwise, you're just floating in the wind. I mean, at least the main drag of things, I have a goal, and I'm trying to get to it. I mean, it would suck to just be goalless. That's probably an even worse step. And we're just trudging away at it. Just a train in the mountains making its way through. And today's train station stop, pull. So let's get pulling. All right. Increase weight. 10 reps this time. And we'll do it again at 8. And then we'll drop weight and do 12. This is going to be really heavy. Oh, I'm about to drop weight early. That is really heavy. All right. I'm going to keep the weight the same. And we got 8. Okay. Now we'll drop and do 12. All right, last set for this exercise. I think we're just going to burn out. It's supposed to be 12, but this is lighter. Yeah. 12 is good. All right. Let's start off with the back row. Even though I need a bigger spread, it's still a good idea to get the 3D look. All right. 10 or 12, 10, 8, 12.
We did some, no, there was no pushing, so it would be biceps.
That was a good pull day. Very pleased. Feel like I got a big pump in, especially in the pull and the pose down. It looks thick, so that's awesome. It's got to lean out. So it's going to be protein powder and cardio again. We're just going to keep on trucking down. Now I got to stop at the grocery store, and I'm not sure what we're going to do tomorrow. We're not doing legs, but maybe I might just do another push. I think that's the plan. Now, until then, keep on trucking.